Welcome to Can I Create an Online Course? Today, we will explore how you can turn your knowledge into a valuable online course. First, let's assess your skills and expertise. What knowledge do you have that others might find valuable? Next, identify your target audience. Who will benefit from your course and what challenges do they face? Now, let's determine your course format. Will it be primarily video, text, quizzes, or a mix of all? Choosing the right platform to host your online course is crucial. There are various options available. Let's explore them. Setting clear learning objectives will guide your students. What outcomes should they expect after completing your course? Let's focus on creating course content. Structure your lessons and materials for maximum engagement and learning. Marketing your online course is essential for attracting students. We'll discuss various strategies to reach your target audience. Lastly, consider how to set the right price for your course. What value does it provide? And what is your target audience willing to pay? In conclusion, creating an online course can be a fulfilling step in sharing your knowledge. Take that first step today